What's up, guys? Welcome back to Central Florida Wraps / Hard Park Performance. Behind me is this S550 Mustang. Saved you most of the boring part. Already got it mostly torn apart, so I'm gonna do the front bumper, rear bumper, and a couple other little things. But we're gonna get started wrapping on it. You'll see the color once we start laying it down, and just stay tuned.
How's it going, guys? So we're getting ready to start the wrap on this S550 Mustang here. We're going to be doing the roof and other accent areas in this gloss metallic black. And then we've got a really sweet color that just been released from KPMF. It's Matte Dynamic Lime. It's got a ton of flake in it. I think it's going to look awesome on this car. So I can't wait to get started on this and see how it's going to turn out.
What's going on, you guys? So today we're going to be wrapping the front bumper on this Mustang out here. This is actually a GT500 replica bumper. It's getting wrapped KPMF Dynamic Matte Lime or something like that, right?
Yeah, close enough.
Okay, close enough, close enough. And we're going to do a couple inlays right now. This is actually a pretty nice bumper to wrap, being that you don't have to use a big piece of material because everything's pretty broken up, so you just got to do a couple more pieces. We're doing the bottom. This little section right here, and then you've got textured plastics that run here and also right here. So we're gonna do a piece for this, probably an inlay here, piece over here, same for the other side, and then you need a couple little inlays here and there for the grills, and then this last part would be one big piece. And this gets a black cover, so this also doesn't get wrapped. Piece on this bumper. We have all the inlays done, and let's just go ahead and get to it. we just finished up all the trimmings on the bumper, and everything came out really well. If you want to look it over real quick, looks really nice. All right, as you can see here, we've got the black accents left to put on. We got a piece for the center, here, a little headlight strip, and it's going to contrast really well with the very vibrant green once we get it all back together. Op 7 lights, or no? Is that for a different car?
I think that's a different car. No, maybe it's this one. I think it's this one.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Alright, now we've got this bumper all wrapped up, so we're going to go ahead and throw all the little trim pieces on and get it assembled as one unit.
All wrapped up.
All wrapped up.
Get it?
Door handle time. So we're getting ready to do the door handles, and there's nothing to worry about because we can handle this.
Jesus Christ.
All right, what's going on, you guys? We got the front end finished up. Got the Op 7s in, the new headlights, all the black accents in, hood vents, and we're getting ready to go ahead and wrap the other rear quarter panel we got here. God.
Hey, what's up, Cody?
Hey, what's going on, you guys? We've about got this car finished up, so we're just getting ready to go ahead and do the rear bumper. I've got all the little inlays done, and we'll go ahead and see if we can knock this out real quick. Alright, that's a wrap. Well, that's a wrap. It's done. That's a wrap.